If you must be a writer, you must do two things above all others: read a lot and write a lot. So do you want to write a book but have no idea how to start? Or do you simply want to know the processes of writing a book and if it's worth the work? All of these questions and much more will be answered in this video. Stay tuned. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. What does it mean to write? It is the act or art of forming visible letters or characters precisely. Writing a book could simply mean passing a message through written words. It could be telling a story or merely passing information. A book must be geared towards a central topic. Even if it's comprised of your thoughts, such thoughts must be well organized to make sense and pass information to the reader. To have the drive, you must know why you want to write the book. Otherwise, you could most probably stop along the line and give up. There are several reasons why you should consider writing a book. Some of the reasons are: perhaps you are a writer and simply use writing as a source of income. You could write to discover yourself, to make money, to accomplish a new challenge, to gain knowledge, as a hobby, and most of all, you could write to pass information to people. Figuring out the reason you want to write is great. It keeps you motivated and focused. However, you must also know how much it would cost you to write a book, and get the funds ready. For starters, you would need your personal computer to write the manuscript, but after writing, you should know that authors spend an average of $2,000 to $5,000 publishing their books. Of course, some spend much less, while others pay upwards of $20,000. The book cover design can often determine whether or not people will pay for it and read it. So if there's any cost you don't want to go cheap on, this would be it. While it's true you can outsource to someone on Fiverr and get a decent cover for less than $20, it pays to do your research and find a professional cover designer who will deliver a good book cover that sells your book. A real editor should always edit a high-quality book. Whether you hire a line editor or copy editor, you should get a professional to look over your work. Don't try to cut corners here. Even if you're an experienced editor, you need to outsource it to another editor. A 40,000 manuscript edited through New York book editors can run you up to $2,700 for a comprehensive edit. When it's time to format your book, you might want to get it formatted both for print and for Kindle if you're publishing on Amazon. You can outsource your ebook and print book formatting for around $60 to $200. Next, you must know what you want to write about. You may choose a world you want to spend a lot of time in, find a story idea within this world, assemble a cast of characters, plan your ending, break the story into acts, and start writing before you get cold feet. Essentially, all you need is planning and motivation, and you're good to go. And of course, even though writing a book could take quite a while for you to finish, it pays off in the end, as you would get royalties for your book. Royalties are money given to an author after a book is published and sold. As an author, you would receive a percentage of the sale, depending on how you published your book. If you work with a publishing company, a part of your royalties must go to the publisher, an agent, and then you. The amount of money you could make from your book depends on how popular it becomes and how readers love it. However, you should know that most authors don't even make a living with their books. A traditionally published author makes 5 to 20% royalties on print books, usually 25% on ebooks, though can be less, and 10 to 25% on audiobooks. Amazon pays self-published authors 70% on ebooks priced $2.99 to $9.99. 35% on ebooks priced outside of that, 60% less printing costs on paperbacks sold on their platform, and 40% less printing costs sold via expanded distribution. Writing a book can be a daunting task, but you will feel very fulfilled when your book is ready. To be successful, you should have the drive and motivation to pull through. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.